not nearly as cool. Anyway.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Well, 6 o'clock. Nobody except barking drivers and Mexican music over here in Hamilton.
Good times. I'm gonna put this away. I don't want to